Hi everyone, welcome back in next video of this playlist. So in this video we are going to create the left panel of our home page. As you can see in the image, this one we are going to create in this video. So let's get started. So if you are not followed this playlist, if you want to create this one page, or if I go to the auth page, these animations full of effect you want to create, you can follow this playlist. Okay, so let's get started. So guys, as you can see this one image, so what I will do, I will copy this, and like I will take an screenshot of this image. Okay, and what I have copied it, I will go to the chat gpt. I will say to chat gpt that create for this create this also, create this also. Okay, or what else you can do, you can, if you are like, create this. Okay, let it be. I will hit enter. Now what chat gpt will do, chat gpt will do code, will give me a code for this. So this is our side panel. Okay, and this will be common in all the project. So this is not a navbar, so I will create a folder, and left panel. Okay, left panel, and I will hit enter. Now inside this I will create one file with the name page.jsx. Okay, and I will copy paste the code which is been generated by ChatGPT. Okay, so this is the code which has been generated by ChatGPT, and I will show you what is it. I will paste it here. So if I show you, so it has imported the styles. Okay, let me create one style file also. Before that, guys, do not to code everything from scratch. Now AI is coming, so depend on AI. Don't just spend that time on extra things like creating the CSS and stuff. It is like boring, and even we don't want to spend a lot of time while styling this. Okay, so now you can if you want to watch the video, like I'm scrolling, you can watch like what is like ChatGPT has provided us. Okay, I will scroll this also to the bottom. Like this is a CSS file. Okay, okay, now how much is code? Okay, that's all, guys. Now if I come to the browser and see, nothing I'm getting. So what I will do, what I will say, I need to import this. Okay, this is sidebar, left sidebar. Okay, I will say uh, left sidebar, control C, and I will change the name here also, control V. Okay, now I will come here and I will import it inside one div. Now you might be wondering like why inside div. I will let you know. I will say bar, and I will, so guys, if I show you an image, can you see this is one component, this is one component, and this is one component. So inside one div there are three components. Okay, that's why I wrapped it in one basically div, so that we can make its position as like absolute. Okay, perfect, cool. So you can see we have got this output. Now we will start styling this. Okay, first of all, the main thing, we will provide padding, sorry, margin, as we have provided margin in previous video also, and same we will provide here also. So to the sidebar I will say margin as 10 pixel, margin to be 10 pixel. Okay, okay, now I can easily close this. Okay, perfect, it's perfect. Now I will say border radius to be again 10 pixel, border radius to be 10 pixel. Perfect, looking fine. Now I will say I will remove the border. Here border is coming now. I will remove border, and I will say box shadow. So I will copy the box shadow from here itself. Where box shadow, control C, and I will paste here box shadow. Okay, I have pasted box shadow. Perfect, it's looking fine. Now next I need when I hovering, an animation is happening, cool, that's fine, but the color I am not getting exactly what I want. So but before that I will say I will change the profile picture. Okay, so I will copy this, control C, and I will paste here profile picture slash profile, control V, and I will see an output. Okay, I have got an output, but name I want, okay, but I don't know what the name it is, SX or something else. I will change it to Jitender, and I will say web developer. Okay, perfect, not perfect, or perfect. Perfect, guys. But I need this Jitender also to be in center. Okay, so it is an H3 inside a profile detail. profile details. Where is profile detail? I will, okay, this is a profile detail. Now I need a text aligned to be center. If with the help of this scheme, then it's fine, but not scheme. Okay, now what I will say, I will, okay, it's p. Okay, so I will say dot profile details. Inside profile details I have an h3 tag and I want its text aligned to be center. Okay, okay, perfect. Now it had came to the center, and that's all guys what we need. Now we need icons. I will show you one icon. We will implement one icon and we will use that same icon everywhere. Okay, now what I need, new feed. So I will come here and I will copy that icon. Where is that? 1 second, inside navbar. Here, no? Correct, here. I will copy this one image tag. I will do Control C and I will paste it here. Okay, first we will do go with first one itself. Okay, now let's see what how is it looking. It is not even visible. Great. So what can I see? I have an menu item, and inside menu item I have I tag, italic tag, and we have img tag. So I have menu items. Inside menu item I have italic tag, and inside italic tag I have img tag, and we need the same css exactly, correct, as we have provided for image. So we have said here 20 pixel 20 pixel, we will provide same here 20 pixel 20 pixel. Now let's see how is it looking. It's perfect but not exactly what we want. Now what we will say, margin left 20 pixel. Is it fine? Perfect. mm, I think it's too much, 20 pixel. I will say it to be 10 pixel. Okay, perfect, cool. Now next, looking fine, but okay, looking fine. Now next, I need these images to be implemented everywhere, like explore also, reels also, shop everywhere, correct? Okay, so just it's an task of copy paste. What do you think, you guys? I will copy this line of code and I will paste everywhere, but I think there is something wrong. Like, okay, fine, that's fine. I will say Control V, Control V, Control V, and we are done. Perfect. Okay, guys, you can see for logout we have not got it. If I refresh it, for logout I didn't get. Why? Okay, sorry. We will remove for logout because logout class name is something else. Okay, guys. So now next, what we need, we can see the logout is coming to like bottom. So it can be possible that GPT has given us height to the main component. SVH we will remove it. We don't need height. Whatever the components are there, use their actual height. Okay, perfect, cool, fine. Now that's all guys in this video. You can see that we have created the side panel, and that's all. In next video probably we will integrate the logics to our application, like how we can log in, how we can authorize the user, how we can log out the user, we can create account, we can log in, we can log out, we can come to this homepage only if user have logged in, because to fetch data we need access token. We will store that access token in our local, like local storage, and after that we will wrap that token inside auth provider, and this is a basic logic that I have told you. So that's all guys in this video, and we will catch up you in next video, and stay tuned with us. Follow the playlist, hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys.